That great one from the score.
Pop a top again.
Este es el año de la buena música. Olvidemos lo que pasa, no todos los...
Видением. Я понял, что сколько будет длиться моя...
The time is 3:44 a.m. and you're riding these moonlit waves with DJ Seabreeze here on KZZZ 87.5 St. Clair's Ambient FM. The ocean roils with murky violence, just like those maddening thoughts that you brought home with you. Feel the stress slip away when you tune into KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. I'm DJ Seabreeze and the time is 3:45 a.m. It's 3:46 a.m. DJ Seabreeze here to remind you that the limitless universe can never leave you behind. So just lie back and let the waves crash here on KZZZ 87.5 St. Clair's Ambient FM. It's 3:47 a.m. here on KZZZ 87.5 St. Clair's Ambient FM. I'm DJ Seabreeze, just letting it flow through the night. The time is 3:48 a.m. and you're relaxing to the shoreline of the mind with DJ Seabreeze on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM.
KZZZ
87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM.
Hey Gil, why so glum?
Oh, hi Marty. Gosh, been so bored lately. And it's been a while since I had a hot date. Hell, I don't know. Maybe I'm just hungry.
Wow, have I got the cure for your doldrums. I bet you've never heard of meatloaf.com.
Meatloaf.com?
That's MEETLOAF.com, the hot new website that covers all three bases. It's an entertainment streaming service, a dating app, and a snack box provider, all in one.
Well, that sounds like a home run.
That's right, Gil. In less than 1 year of operation, Meatloaf.com has developed a database of over 200,000 like-minded singles across the US and Canada that are interested in streaming media, nibbling on their favorite snacks, and chilling. More than 1 million dates have already been matched, and with a positive feedback rating of over 95%, somebody's doing something right.
Far out. But is it complicated?
Nah, it's fun. First, prepare your Meatloaf.com profile, selecting your preferences in detail. Then, browse through the available singles in your area, subcategorized by their tastes in media, snacks, and intimate relations. Soon, you'll have a loaf list full of available matches, ready to receive your loaf link. Arrange a date and time to meet up, decide whose couch to use, and a customized drop shipment of easily prepared Meatloaf.com foodstuffs will be handed off to a carrier within 1 hour, guaranteed. Based on shipping options, you and your new friend can be chilling on the couch as quickly as the next day, streaming your favorite media, exploring, and nibbling on favorites like red hot cheese curls, deep-fried mac and cheese balls, and Meatloaf.com's famous boneless cheesy hot wings. Meatloaf.com snacks are engineered for maximum convenience in a decadent portion size. They're fully prepared, shelf-stable, and bite-sized with no utensils required, just microwave as needed.
Can I have french fries with fry sauce?
Oh yeah, even poutine. Just click on your preferences.
C'est magnifique. What about the media options?
Meatloaf.com provides a curated collection of streaming right into your living room. You'll be presented with a custom list of films, series, and exclusive specials designed to push your dates buttons as well as your own. Just use the remote to select a title right there from the couch, or hit the surprise button and let it flow. Your Meatloaf.com chill session viewing menu is catered exactly to what you and your match are looking for, and it's available until noon the following day. Wink.
Fantastic. But what if there's nothing we like?
Meatloaf.com knows what you like, Gil. You told them so, and so did your date. Now check this out. Listeners of KZZZ that are new to Meatloaf.com can save $20 off their first chill session by entering coupon code KZZZ. Plus, each new Meatloafer receives a complimentary chill kit loaded with a generous assortment of handy wipes, condiment packets, and condoms.
Awesome. I'm signing up at Meatloaf.com right now.
Do it, Gil. That's MEETLOAF.com. And remember, coupon code KZZZ to save $20. Meatloaf.com, it's paradise by the flat screen light.
Internet connection required. Meatloaf.com is subject to international media distribution agreements. Not all titles are available in all areas. Geography and certain sci-fi sub-genres may restrict availability of date matches. Snack boxes not intended for daily consumption and should be discarded if stored more than 3 calendar years. Produced in factories that may have processed peanuts. Meatloaf.com does not guarantee a sexual encounter and is not responsible for your protection from STDs, STIs, and pregnancy. No means no. Drugs and alcohol sold separately.
KZZZ 87.5 St. Clair's
Ambient FM.
I forgot my mantra.
The time is 3:52 a.m. and you're surfing through the darkness with DJ Seabreeze on KZZZ 87.5 St. Clair's Ambient FM. Kawabunga. It's DJ Seabreeze here, with a blanket on the sand and a lantern in his hand. The beach is open all night on KZZZ, 87.5 St. Clair's Ambient FM. It's 3:53 a.m. The time is 3:54 a.m., and all your tensions are floating away, just rolling along with the tide on KZZZ 87.5 St. Clair's Ambient FM. DJ Seabreeze at the helm. Relaxing on the beach, where there is no beach, like magic. It's 3:55 a.m. and this is DJ Seabreeze, and you're listening to KZZZ 87.5 St. Clair's Ambient FM. It's 3:56 a.m. on KZZZ 87.5 St. Clair's Ambient FM. You're walking barefoot through the darkness with DJ Seabreeze. The night is so long, and that beach just stretches out forever. But have no fear. Somehow the sand is still warm, and as long as we can hear the ocean, we'll never be lost. The time is 3:57 a.m., and I'm DJ Seabreeze, keeping an eye out for sneaker waves, so you don't have to. On KZZZ 87.5 St. Clair's Ambient FM. gentle ocean waves, and a calm, peaceful frame of mind. It must be DJ Seabreeze on KZZZ, 87.5 St. Clair's Ambient FM. It's 3:58 a.m. Oh, dear me. The time is 3:59 a.m., and I'm afraid your old pal DJ Seabreeze has to pick up his gear, pack out his trash, and try to remember where he parked his car. As always, it's been my absolute pleasure to surf these soothing airways with you from 2 to 4 a.m., bringing you the relaxing sounds of the shore, just like I do every weeknight. But it is time for this breeze to blow. Stay tuned for an hourly news report, followed by your early morning stroll up that peaceful mountain stream with DJ Rudy Rains. He's standing by to keep on keeping things mellow while the sun rises here on KZZZ 87.5 St. Clair's Ambient FM. Keep it breezy.
This is the KZZZ Hourly News featuring anchorman Marty West.
Good morning. The time is 4 a.m. and this is Marty West on KZZZ 87.5 St. Clair's Ambient FM with the news you need for Tuesday, April 13th. Our top story this morning: St. Clair City Council person Rainbow Chavez Smythe will be cutting the ribbon at 9 a.m., unveiling St. Clair's premier gender-neutral public laboratory facilities servicing downtown's historic Veterans Memorial Dog and Skate Park. The event will feature complimentary lemonade snow cones courtesy of the Shave Shack, and St. Clair Park Service staff members will be distributing free safety helmets and chew toys for pets and children, respectively. Chavez Smythe's endorsement of gender-neutral, liquid-solid, non-specific, evacua-normative laboratory improvements has been widely considered key to the councilperson's recent re-election. In a statement to local media, Chavez Smythe expressed confidence that these new facilities would expose dog walkers, skating enthusiasts, and the residentially challenged to the same gender-neutral relief that canines have been enjoying in the downtown area for over 100 years. However, local support for these facilities is not unanimous. We have on the line Mr. Gordo Vidang, coordinator of an overnight vigil protesting these new facilities. Mr. Vidang, this is Marty West, KZZZ News. Can you tell me, please, what is the message that your protest is trying to convey?
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Vidang, good morning. What is it that you are trying to communicate to your fellow St. Clairians with this vigil?
Hello, Rodney. This is Gordo Vidang.
It's Marty, Mr. Vidang. Marty West, KZZZ News.
What's that?
Sir, what is your group trying to say to the people of St. Clair?
Hell, I didn't know.
Mr. Vidang, I think...
All righty.
Mr. Vidang, what...
Come on, stop.
Mr. Vidang, I would like...
What is the mind do?
Mr. Vidang, the team here at KZZZ News feels it's very important for all sides of this issue to have their voices heard. We'd very much like to know what issues your group has with these new laboratory facilities.
Well, I'm sure you do with that. They have one thing. Barely got down there some buckets right now.
Mr. Vidang, is your group responding to the gender-neutral nature of these new facilities?
What? You're not there right now. You said it'd be there by 4:30.
Mr. Vidang, KZZZ News will be checking back with you later this morning before the ribbon cutting, and hopefully your voice will be heard on this issue. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Vidang.
Okay. Will do.
Concerned citizen, Gordo Vidang. We do hope to present his opinion at some point later this morning. And now, with news about the morning commute, we join Gil Halbgewachs in the KZZZ traffic chopper.
Thanks, Marty. Traffic is very light on the 412 from Diego Valley all the way past the McCormick Expressway. And there's nothing happening at the Midtown interchange at all. No sign yet of morning rush congestion. But watch the shoulder if you're northbound on the 397 near the arch. Looks like someone's changing a tire down there. Otherwise, it's wide open. This is your guy in the sky, Gilbert Halbgewachs, reporting for KZZZ, 87.5 St. Clair's Ambient FM. Over and out.
Thanks, Gil. No surprises there on a 4 a.m. traffic report. Weather today in the St. Clair region should be mild, partly cloudy with a high of 68 degrees and a low around 47. Current temperature at the KZZZ weather station is 42, with gentle breezes blowing to the northwest at 14 miles per hour and the barometer holding steady at 29.71. Chance of rain, 18%. This has been Marty West, reporting live on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. Good morning.
This has been the KZZZ Hourly News, featuring anchorman Marty West.
It's 4:03 in the AM, and you, dear listener, are being transported far away from the city, deep into the forest, relaxing by a gentle stream on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. I'm Rudy Rains, and I'll be your host for the next 2 hours as we explore together the tranquil tones of that cool mountain water as it flows along through the darkness and into the sunrise. Good morning. It's 4:04 in the AM, and this is Rudy Rains inviting you to feel peace on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. It's 4:05 a.m., and the wonders of nature are surrounding you, enveloping you, with your old friend Rudy. Rudy Rains on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. It's 4:06 a.m., and you're relaxing to Mother Nature's magical Creekside Symphony on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. I'm Rudy Rains. It's 4:07 a.m. on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. Rudy reigns here on the banks of a cool mountain stream during the last few moments before dawn. It's 4:08 a.m., and you are keeping it mellow with Rudy Reigns on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. Fill your lungs with a deep breath of crisp morning air. Isn't that nice? It's 4:09 a.m. here on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. I'm Rudy Reigns.
KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM.
Namaste.
Namaste.
My name is Prana Karuna. On my journey as a registered yoga instructor, seeker of enlightenment, and competitive yoga champion, I am constantly in need of quality yoga equipment at reasonable prices. That is why I shop Samadhi for Less, a complete yoga megastore. Whether I'm exploring the hottest new trends in leotards and leggings, perusing an amazing selection of over 1,900 colors, sizes, and styles of yoga mat, or shivering in their famously massive walk-in bottled water cave, I know Samadhi for Less always has the best prices and value. Samadhi for Less is aligned with your yamas and respects your niyamas, so you can focus on your pranayama while centered in prajna without concern for your pocketbook. And for a limited time, mention KZZZ at checkout to receive a free Ayurvedic tongue scraper with any purchase. There's always room in the kula at Samadhi for Less, a complete yoga megastore. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om.
KZZZ 87.5,
St. Clair's Ambient
FM.
Rudy Reigns here, letting you know that it's 4:11 a.m. and the morning is slipping past us like the water in that cool mountain stream on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. Take it from your best friend Rudy Raines. The turmoil of the modern world has caused a lot of sleepless nights, but it can't touch you when you're tuned in to KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. The time is 4:12 a.m. This is Rudy Raines on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM, reminding you to breathe. That's right. Breathe. Good. The time is 4:13 a.m. It's 4:14 a.m., and you can almost feel the sunshine that's almost peeking over the mountains, almost streaking across the sky, almost sparkling off of this tranquil stream's icy glacial water. Even in the darkness, the forest is alive, and you're almost there. I'm Rudy Raines, and this is KZZZ 87.5. St. Clair's Ambient FM. It's 4:15 a.m. Remember that Rudy Raines is here to guide you through these bleary-eyed visions of wakefulness every weekday from 4 to 6 a.m. on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. The time is 4:16 a.m., and you're finding yourself, I mean really finding yourself, on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. I'm Rudy Raines. It's 4:17 a.m., and this is Rudy Raines surrounded by the mysterious voice of nature on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. Surrender. Some might say this is the end of a long, dark night. But no, it's another beautiful morning with Rudy Rains on KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. The time is 4:18 a.m. It's 4:19 a.m., and if you are approaching a state of total relaxation, then you must be listening to KZZZ 87.5, St. Clair's Ambient FM. I'm Rudy Rains.
What?
Hell, I didn't know.